leaves are falling. Did you see the leaves fall? Aren't they pretty? The colors? Mom, the leaves.
What?
Do you like them?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, Jessie, the leaves are beautiful. I was just... I was just thinking about your dad, and I'm feeling a little sad.
I don't want you to feel sad, Mom.
Oh, Jessie, I know you don't. But you know, sometimes these feelings, they just come up. And when the leaves start to change colors like this, well, I start to think about your dad.
Yeah. I miss him.
Oh, I miss him too. Now, you know, your dad and I would sit right here on this very bench, and we'd hold hands and we'd watch the colorful leaves twirl in the cool fall air on their way down to the ground.
Well, Mom,
Hmm?
we don't have to look at the leaves if they make you feel sad.
Oh, Jessie, that is so kind of you. But you know, it is okay to feel sad sometimes. You know, ever since your dad died, we have felt a lot of big feelings, and they are all okay.
Yeah. I remember feeling happy
Yeah?
and then kind of sad when I saw someone playing with a kite, like the one Dad and I used to fly together.
Oh, yeah, you know, I remember that kite. It was, let's see, it was blue and yellow and red. That's right.
Yeah.
Oh, you two had so much fun making it fly.
Yeah.
You know, your daddy loved us a lot.
Yeah, he sure did. Mom? I know something else he loves.
Oh, what's that?
Drinking hot apple cider on a fall day like today.
Oh, you're right about that, Jessie. You know, that would be a special treat. Why don't we go have some right now, huh?
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I'd like that a lot.
Yeah, let's go. Come on, honey.
Okay.